Now, let us practice our separate and joined letters with fataha. Fataha is the short lines on the letters. It makes a sound. Let us practice them now. Kaf, fataha, ka. Ta, fataha, ta. Ka, ta. Ba, fataha, ba. Ka, ta, ba. Kataba. He wrote. Fa, fataha, fa. Ta, fataha, ta. Ha, fataha, ha. Fa, ta, ha. Fataha. He opened. Jim, fataha, ja. Lam, fataha, la. Ja, la. Sin, fataha, sa. Ja, la, sa. Jalasa. He sat. Qaf, fataha, qa. Ra, fataha, ra. Alif, fataha, a. Qa, ra, a. Qara'a. He read. Kataba. He wrote. Fataha. He opened. Jalasa. He sat. Qara'a. He read. Waw, fataha, wa. Qaf, fataha, qa. Wa, qa. Fa, fataha, fa. Wa, qa, fa. Waqafa. He stopped. Noon, fataha, na. Dha, fataha, dha. Na, dha. Ra, fataha, ra. Nazara. Nazara. He looked. Ghain, fataha, gha. Sin, fataha, sa. Gha, sa. Lam, fataha, la. Gha, sa, la. Ghasala. He washed. Kha, fataha, kha. Ra, fataha, ra. Jim, fataha, ja. Kharaja. Kharaja. He went out. Waqafa. He stopped. Nazara. He looked. Ghasala. He washed. Kharaja. He went out.